our Jambo House. We have a Savanna View Studio to look at today. I absolutely love Jambo House. One of my favorite resorts. The little attention to details. Wonderful lobby. And truthfully, a view of the Savannah can't be beat. The room sleeps up to 4. There is no pull-down bed in the studios at this resort, but still great resort. Love the little details, you know, and the wood carvings everywhere. Nice big clear television. Again, a little African flair to it. It makes you feel like you're staying somewhere very exotic. Plus, actually, one of the lesser expensive resorts too, which is really nice. There's some nice options with the value view and the standard view. There's also a Savanna View and club level. I've loved these mirrors for years. It just rained here on the hole, you can see. But out here, there's a zebra and a giraffe behind the tree right there. Right now, we are filming this. It's the day of Hurricane Michael is supposed to hit in the upper panhandle area. So we're not getting anything down here, but we're gonna get some outer bands, a little bit of rain. Just poured about an hour ago. So things are very quiet here on the Savannah. But nice sized balcony for the studios. Again, the details. Nice zebra in the chairs. And couches fold out like they do at all the DVC studios. Nice, always solid room. Again, really nice resort. Love the lobby, big and open aired, so you feel like you're staying somewhere really, really special. I get to shoot this, try not to shoot me as much, but again, what's nice about this is the 2 sinks outside of the bathroom, so somebody can be in here, go into the bathroom, taking their shower, while somebody else is getting ready in the meantime. Again, if you're looking to save around 40 to 50% off your Disney vacation, definitely check out www.dvc-rental.com. Don't forget that dash. Or if you're thinking of becoming a DVC member, definitely check out our sister site, www.buyandselldvc.com. Thank you very much. As always, we'll try to do better next time, but we appreciate it. If you could hit that like and subscribe button, it really helps us out and it gets the word out for our company, and we'll keep trying to do these videos for you.